Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Vlogmas Day 4. In this video, I will be deep cleaning my refrigerator. Right here, I'm just doing an overview of what my refrigerator looks like before, and basically it's unorganized. I usually have it organized, and right now is the time for me to get it done since I'm doing like a freezer pantry challenge type of situation. So sit back and enjoy and get some of that cleaning motivation that you might need for this time of year. Now that I have everything out, you can see how dirty it is up close. Not as bad as I have seen it before, but dirty nonetheless. And there is like the water. I'm not sure if it's focusing, but there you can see the water. So I'm going to clean out the refrigerator and go through the drawers and all the food, and then I'll put it back in. So here is the empty refrigerator. All that water is gone. Everything is cleaned out. And now I'm going to put everything back in. And then I'm just going to take these out, quickly wipe inside because nothing spilled, I don't think. And as long as nothing spilled, I don't have to do too much there, and nothing is not too bad over here. I can just take these and wipe them out as well. So if you look over here, I'm gonna put all of this back in. Thing I do hate is that when they open up two of the same milk, it's like a drop in here, and so I might just pour this into this one so we can get rid of that container. And then that's full. I keep prune juice in the refrigerator for the kids, so you know, whenever they're constipated, I'll give them some prune juice. And the rest, everything is going back in. I did check the dates and everything, and everything was fine. These right here are all unopened. This is like a drop left. We'll probably use that tomorrow morning. Orange juice. Yeah, all of that is going back in yeah, so none of this has to go except for these mashed potatoes. those will be going. Those are gonna go because those are old. And that is about it. So let me put this stuff back in. So here are the drawers that I took out. So I'm just gonna go through. Everything in here is good actually, because I usually go through every week to see like what needs to be thrown away or whatever. So I'm gonna just take everything out though, and I'm gonna clean the drawer. Put this in a Ziploc bag. These are cookies. And I'll clean the drawer and then I'm going to put them back in. I'll do that off camera because it's getting late. So this is the fruit drawer. I had a bad pear in here. The top of the pear is bad. So it looks like that might have been the only thing. I have some cucumbers and things. I have some carrots. Pickles, but I'm gonna still take everything out, rinse the drawers out, wash them out, wash and rinse the drawers out, and then I will put them back in as well as the other one, which like I said, I'm gonna do that off camera so it'll be quicker, and then I will show you the refrigerator all done. Okay, so the drawers are back in, nice and clean. So now I'm just going to put all the stuff back. When I started taking the stuff out of the drawer, I saw that some of the stuff was expired. So since they were open and expired, I just threw them away. So right now I'm just going to put those back in and I will be done. So here is the finished product. All of the open milk and creamer is up here. And then just this shelf is like higher up, so anything that could fit up here, like the shorter containers and jars, are up here. Yogurt, just random stuff, but it's like all the shorter containers. And then the eggs are down here along with the open Smart Balance. And then I have another big Smart Balance, but it's all the way down there in the back because yeah, so when we're done with this, it'll come up here so it's easier to access. And then I have like some cinnamon rolls and biscuits back there. And then all of this is almond milk. So this whole row right here is chocolate, and this whole row right here is the sweetened vanilla. And then this is, we have only one of the unsweetened left, as well as the one up on the top shelf. And then behind that there is some orange juice. Then we have the maple syrup. Then we have some of the sparkling water and apple juice. The waters don't fit, like the regular waters don't fit down here, so I will bring some up and put them up here. And then we have leftovers, some lettuce, and over here try to make use of all the space in the refrigerator. So I have this small container, and I have the breakfast burritos in here, as well as some yogurt. And then all of the washed fruits and vegetables are in here. So the tomatoes that are washed, and all of the apples, and then everything are in there. And then anything that's not washed or that are still in like the plastic, it's in here. It's in this one. And then down here we have just the string cheese, regular cheese, cookie dough, and turkey bacon. And of course, just random sauces over here and random sauces over here. I just basically tried to make them fit. Before I had things we didn't access much up here, and it's still that way. Things that we don't really use that much are up here, and then things that we use a lot are down here. So, and then the cream cheese. So the kids like the strawberry cream cheese on their bagels, and then I have I like the regular one. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.